nails, you don't have to do a thumbnail. If you want to mix and match, you can do is ring fingers, you can do a middle finger, you can do whatever you want. Right, I'm gonna just do the thumb, so that's why I do just a thumb only. And just here for about like 45 seconds. And only you need is for the 3D flowers, we are going to need 1 or 2 colors, depending on how many colors you want to do. Sometimes you can do like just the 1 colors. Like say sometime I just do 2 colors, really simple, or just a couple petals. You know, it's doesn't matter. You pick whatever you like to do. And then we are going to need 1 color and then 3D brush. Okay. All right, and then I have the lovers. I'm using lovers and the emeralds, and I did have like, you know, pick up smaller beads. It's about the same size of like, you know, I would say sesame seeds, a little bit bigger. I'm gonna pick them up. I mix like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beads in there. So I'm gonna start one right here. Can you see it from? 2. So I'm gonna do like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And do not worry about if have to be perfect yet, because we are going to using the 3D dual brush, and we are going to sculpt it the way we wanted it. Move that tray on the sides, and then we are going to using the 3D dual brush and then press it down. And then this is really cool. The tool is special designed for 4D gels and 5D gels, so it's makes actually you really confident and so much better when you're doing your 3D designs. And it's not, the great thing about 4D gel is not going to cure or dry until you are going to cure under the LED lights. Press down, and you don't have to go too aggressive. You don't have to flatten it really bad. Just give it some texture. And then also you can perfect them first before you are going to cure, and before you are going to like do anything else. You can do 1 or 2 and then go back and perfect the other one. Okay, I'm going to flatten it, this one, blend it a little bit, because we are going to put some crystal in. Okay, so now you're happy with this. We are going to move on to the next one. And if you feel like you're afraid of to get that messed up, just make sure you flash cure for 30 seconds. But I'm going to leave it there. We are going to add 1 beads right there. 2 beads just for the leaves. And 1 and 2. Again. There's so many different designs, so many different shape of the flowers. Check out our video. I saved them so much, so many of them there. You can enjoy the different look from of 3D flowers. So many. I share how to do it really simple with sunflowers, roses. So I'm going to press it down, spread it on the left, spread it on the right, and draw a little bit on the center to make it the leaf is kind of a nice and soft look. Again, repeat it, the same thing with this one. There you go. Just simple, cute leaf. Okay. Now we are going to just like flash cure for quicking. But before that, I'm gonna show you, because the 40 gel is still nice and wet. It's not wet, it's just nice and soft. It's not dry yet. So I'm gonna take advantage from that. I'm gonna using the condensed glue gels, like 3-step methods. And applies a little bit of the condensed glue gel right here. So I'm not sure where I'm at in the under the camera though, so you let me know. And then right there, because I'm gonna do it here. So in this here is going to be like triple, which is that it had the 40 gels, is still not like dry, and then condensed glue gel and the wet top coat. So then your crystal will stay on like whenever you decide your flower to be coming off. Go ahead and using the wet top coat and floating right on the top. Okay, and now we are going to add some centipede, and I'm using a super cute Glitz crystal, which is I got it from the Valentine's starter set, the starter kits. You can add any colors you want to. I'm adding like green, blue, pink. And now we can care for using my tincture brush and blend this one quick. And now care for flash cure for 30 seconds, because I'm going to add some crystal here. Quick flash cure for 30 seconds.